Hello, kids. This is Teacher Ed. Good evening. Now, I will teach you our new lesson, and our new lesson is all about, all right, ball games. And the first one is all about ball games involve the use of rocket, stick, and bat. Okay, let us discuss about the rockets. We have here badminton racket. Again, this racket is called badminton racket. Okay? This is being used in playing badminton. And this next one is table tennis racket, being used in table tennis game. This stick is being used in hockey, and this bat is being used in baseball bat. All right, again, some ball games involve the use of badminton racket, table tennis racket, hockey stick, and baseball bat. Very good. So I will show you the games and you will tell me what is this game. What is this game? Do you know? This game is badminton. Again, badminton. How about this game? What is this? This is tennis. How about this game? What is this? This is table tennis. Next, how about this game? What is this? This is baseball. All right. And how about this? Okay, this is hockey. All right. So that is our lesson for today. I will send you our homework. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.